Don't look at me. Now you have to restart.
It's okay. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lande Marc, and today we're having a grocery haul. What we gonna call this? A haul. That's what we're gonna have today. Because I went to Marshall, Ross, Petco, and BJ's. So it's a grocery haul, whatever you want to call it, but it's a haul. Okay? So now we're gonna start with, well, I'm gonna start with my BJ haul of what I shopped today at BJ's. Anybody that know me that I love game. If I have to wash my clothes, it have to be game. They have to be the scented bead. They have to be game. If it have to be the softener, the dryer sheet, it's game. That's what it is. I love the smell. I love it that you don't have to put perfume to smell good. Sometimes you can throw on a shirt and that smell is right there. So we're gonna start with the BJ haul, and it's my game. So first I have this right here. I love this. It's a scented booster that you can put in before you wash your clothes, and it smells so good. You can just open it up and the smell is right there. So this is my favorite. Anybody giving me a gift, I always say, give me game. Okay? Game. I love game. Alright, next we have the game softener. And I always go to BJ's to buy these because it takes a while before I have to go to BJ's again to buy this. I have a big family, so we wash clothes. So we buy them in bulks, we buy them big. And my previous set that I have now is not done, but it's, you know, half. And I like to make sure I have them here. So if I'm working and if I'm busy, I don't have to be rushing trying to go and buy it. And I have it here already. So this is the softener. This is the size of it. And this one is 165 ounce. So yeah, gang. This is the softener. So this is what I got. And you know, Gain also have different scent for the liquid detergent. The liquid detergent that I like from Gain is the Moonlight Breeze. And this is it right here. Game changer. This is it. I love this very much. And then you can't, and that one was 200 ounce. The dry sheet smells good no matter what. It doesn't have a name. It's just the original one. And this one have 2 large boxes in it. 2 large boxes. Also smell good. Alright, that's my Gain collection. So, alright, the next item that I got from BJ. Dish detergent. Love Dawn. Dawn is very good. Very good. For me, I like to buy them in bulks. Like I have a small bottle. What I do is when it's half, I refill it. I always refill them. Always buy the big one and refill the small one. So that's Dawn. And the next thing is Clorox. Clorox. I love to spray my bathroom with this, the walls and everything. And this is the bleach former. So, yep. Clorox is good. And also, scrubbing bubbles. It comes in a pack of 4 when you buy them wholesale at BJ's. These are also good for bathroom. So, yeah, it won't be out for a minute. These can last for a month. If you buy them in bulk, they can last for a month. Next one is Ziploc bag. It got 125. I like to put, when I'm going out of town, I like to get Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag mainly for where I can put my facial scrubs, my facial wash, exfoliated. I can put it in a Ziploc bag, therefore it won't spill if I put it in my bag, and it won't spill all over my clothes. So, yeah, won't be out of these neither. Next one is one of my favorite. I love this product. Clorox, man. I use it on my floor, kitchen countertop. I use it to clean the bathroom, the kids' bathroom. My next items will be from Petco. Petco. As you guys know, I have 2 dogs. I have Chanel and I have Paris. Chanel is a Maltese and Paris is a Shih Tzu. So I got them some harness. And with these, I feel like they're better versus with the leash. Instead of the kids tugging on them and the leash coming off, and no, we're not gonna do that. So I got 2 harnesses for them. And I also bought a new cage that I'll be showing you guys. And then I bought them a cage mat that is pretty much soft. I love the feel of it. But that's what I got at Petco. So we will be putting Chanel and Paris in these when taking them for a walk. We got this cage for the both of them. So then my next store I went to was Marshall's. And Marshall's, when I walked in, I saw these. Now, if you see the lettering, you guys guessed it right. Ray Dunn. I love Ray Dunn. I have a wine cup, Ray Dunn. And these were like 4th of July. These were on clearance for $8. And then I got me another one like this one. That's a USA. This was for $6. So, at Marshall, I bought me a jean jacket. I need one. Especially when you have like the strapless. I hate to show my shoulders or under my armpits. I have to have a jacket over. I don't like when my armpits is visible for the whole world to see. Especially on days that you don't shave. So a jean jacket, throw over. You throw it on anything. You can never go wrong. And I purchased that for like 20 bucks. 20 bucks. And then my next item that I bought was razors. Can't go wrong with razors. You know, ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. The armpits, private area when y'all want to wear y'all bikini and don't want hair to be sticking out. Razors. And I purchased that for $5.99 with 8 razors. I also got myself shower caps. Reusable. I got 2. One for me and one for my daughter. Each of them was $3.99. $3.99. So you can't go wrong. And they're reusable. Easy to dry. Waterproof. Mold and mildew resistant. Comfortable. Fit. Elastic. So basically it won't be too tight in your head. 100% polyester. And quick to dry. So I bought 2. One for me and one for Miss Maya. 2. Don't make me laugh. And then I bought myself. At one point I was in denial. But child, this lady right here snores. So I seen this and I want to try it out to see if it works. And I think I'm gonna record myself to see if it works. Your girl snores. And we need to improve that. Yeah, it can't be cute and you snoring at the same time. Nah, not waking up the whole house now. So yeah, I got one of these to try out, and this one was just $6.99. $6.99. And I think there's two sets in here. Yeah, 2 sets. So you know what? One for me and one for my husband. 2 sets, because we both snore. We're going to see how this play out. Yes, we're going to see how this play out. Most definitely. Next item I got from Marshall's was, I guess you guys call it an area rug or a runner or accent rug. That's what it's called. I got this right here for the front door. It's a good, decent size. I think it'll be good. And I think, yeah, it'll be good. And I got this for, it was $14.99. I got it for $12. So this is gonna go in front of the door. It's gonna go in front of the door. Very light, not too heavy. I like that. So that's what it is. So my next store I went to is Ross. Ross. And then Ross, you can never go wrong with a white shirt. I needed a white shirt. I wanted a white shirt. So I got a white shirt. So this is what I got from Ross. I like it. If I bought it, I like it. And I got it for $4.99. So that's what I got. Something I'll probably wear on my trip with Nicole for her birthday trip. So I'm trying to get ready to buy things. I'm buying things for the trip. Okay, so something I like and something I love is makeup. And I never had a traveling bag. Never had a traveling bag for makeup. I used to always put them in a big, maybe like a big purse, carry them and out of town or wherever I'm going. But today I found one that just was like, yeah, this is the one. This is what I want. This is, I think, will be good for the trip. And I can pick out what makeup I want to put in this bag. But I like it because it's not too big, it's not too small. It's just right because I ain't taking a whole lot of makeup. What's this? This right here. Yep, this is a makeup bag. Makeup bag. When I saw it, at first I thought it was a purse. When I looked at it, I'm like, oh, it's a makeup bag. See? You got this big compartment right here where I can put foundation and eyeshadow palettes. My brush can go in there too. And then eyelashes, glue, liners, lip gloss, or whatever else can go right here. But yeah, I like this. This is like gonna be my makeup bag for my makeup that I normally wear. You know, so, and for this one I bought it for $23. And sometimes with me, when I buy something, I don't even look at the prices. I just buy it. That's just what it is. But I like it. This is, and I like the fact that if I go somewhere, or I'm in a bathroom putting on makeup, this can hang. While this hanging, I can take my little makeup out and do whatever. So yeah. Well, this is it with my haul for today on this Sunday. Gloomy. Was bright, but that was it. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. And come again. Bye, y'all.